So today we're going to get into these brows. So I'm using the Benefit 24-Hour Brow Setter to lay down my brows. So now I'm just fanning my brows, trying to get them dry. Now I'm going to use my Mercier translucent powder and my Real Technique sponge, and I'm going to pat that onto my brows. It helps with the oil so you don't have oily brows. Now I'm going to use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color 4.5, and I'm just outlining my brows. You want to try to use like hair-like strokes on your brows. You don't want them too harsh, too bold. A lot of people be going around with crazy looking brows. They be too dark, and we need to stop that. It's 2021. Stop it. And I'll just be doing the same thing to the other brow. Now I'm just taking the squiggly end of my brow pencil and I'm just brushing that product through my brows. I'm taking my two e.l.f. Camo concealers in the shade Tan Latte and Deep Olive, and I'm going to use those to carve out my brows, along with the Morphe x Jaclyn Hill brush JH48. Now, I always start carving out the bottom tail end of my brow. You can choose to do the top, do whatever you want to. But for me, it's better once I see how the bottom looks on how I can do the top. And I'm just doing the same thing on the other brow, carving out the bottom. Now I'm just taking the Real Techniques Deluxe Crease Brush and using that to buff out the concealer underneath my brow. And you just want to pat on this part. You don't want to swipe. Just lightly pat, just tap, tap, tap. Now I'm taking that brush and I'm going over the top of my brows, trying to get them even as possible. Now here I'm just buffing out the concealer on the top part of my brows, and I always, tap it up, and on the tail end I tap down. Now I'm just filling in my eyebrows some more. Whenever you carve out you know, your eyebrows, sometimes you might take away some of your eyebrow pencil, so I'm just fixing it. From here, I'll just be going back and forth between both of my brows, just fixing what needs to be fixed. The key is to get your eyebrows looking like sisters. They ain't gotta be twins, but they need to look like they kin to each other. They need to be sisters, not twins. And get into these brows. I hope y'all enjoyed watching this video. Please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel.